Hi, Aza here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this amazing letter portrait using Photoshop. This is our final output. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, going to close this one and open our base photo. Go and select our base photo. Unlock the background. Double click here and lock it. Now, create new layer. Go here and go to paint bucket tool, select this one and select the white color and paint white here. Now all you need to do is to type your letter. You can type whatever you like. Also, you could personalize the text portrait effect by writing something specific about that person or event. So let's select the type tool, go here, select the font. The bold font is better, and select the color. Red is nice. Here I'm going to type Z. I need big font size, so Ctrl T and hold your shift, drag it, and I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. For now it's good. We can change it later. Now let's arrange our layer. The layer background goes down, photo layer goes up. Let's go to our photo layer, select the layer and reduce the opacity to get the idea to resize your photo. Opacity around this one is good, 30-35 is okay. Now Ctrl T the photo and reduce the size. Or I think for now is good. Now the fun part. Select your photo layer and click here and click on create clipping mask. Click here. Perfect. Until now you create nice letter portrait, but to have a more professional letter portrait, it's better to add more effect and play with the photo. So just copy the photo layer, Ctrl J, that's good. Now what we need here is only this little part of her face. We will make a selection of it. How making selection is up to you and totally based on your photo. Today I'm going to select with magnetic lasso tool. Go here, right click and select magnetic lasso tool. For that it's better to zoom to have a better selection. Okay, we are good. So let's start the selection. Go here. Each time you want to remove the selection, just press the backspace button. That's good. Okay, and here, some part here, good. We are good to go. So our selection is ready. Now all we have to do is to apply the layer mask. So go here, click on layer mask. It's nice. If you want to correct some area, follow the layer mask rule. Go to tool here, select your mask, select the foreground, black, start to brush. Good. I think some part of her face is here is good. That's perfect. And if you remove accidentally, you can select the foreground color on white and paint it back. Let's see, like that. Something like I want to paint back here, some part of her eye. Perfect. Let's zoom out. The next step is to add some style. Select your letter layer and go to hairstyle. Select here and go to drop shadow and play with the shadow here. So I want to play with the opacity. Less opacity is good, and I want to play with the distance. That's good? I think this one is perfect, and the size a bit more. We are good to go, and hit the OK. I think this part of her face needs shadow too. So select the layer, go to style, click drop shadow again, and a bit more here. We are good to go. Hit OK again. It's perfect. To have a nicer poster, it's better we type letter portrait here and here. So let's go and select the type tool, type letter here, good, move it down, okay, and type portrait here, P caps lock and portrait, it's good. Then what I usually like to do is to change the color of the font letter portrait to something match to the photo. So let's select the letter and go here, the eyedropper tool, select some part of the photo. I think here is good, that's good, and hit OK. Do the same for the portrait, go here, select the portrait and select the color. We are good to go. Another thing I like to do is the letter and portrait in the same line. So let's go here and here. For now, letter is good. I need a smaller portrait. So select the portrait, go to character panel and play with the spacing here. 400 is too much. I think 300 good. No, 200. 200 is perfect. That's good. And close this one. Perfect. So let's review together. In this tutorial, we learn more about clipping mask and how to select with magnetic lasso tool. And at the end, we create this amazing letter portrait. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.